Hi, my name is Alelina Kanay, 21 years old, and I am interested in seeking a position in hospitality industry where I can maximize my management skills, quality assurance, and training experience. I am a graduate of Hospitality Tourism Management, major in Hotel and Restaurant Management in St. Mary's University, Bayambong, Philippines. During my school years, I had maintained a satisfactory grade, receiving Dean's List of Academic Excellence twice in my 4 years of study. I had my practicum at Astoria Plaza Hotel, where I received extensive trainings on the different departments of the hotel, such as front office, food and beverage, kitchen, and housekeeping. I also had my land-based training at Shangri-La Hotel Makati, where I received certificates for my bed making and tour guiding skills. After I graduated, I got employed at Villa Diana Hotel and Cafe. My manager loves me for booking reservations and planning and executing hotel events efficiently. Right now, I'm one of the food service supervisors at Six Flags Great Adventure, New Jersey. What I like about my job is not only the challenge to meet customers' needs and wants, but also to go beyond their expectations. I have an amazing work ethic. I work very well with all different kind of people, understanding that everybody comes with different perspective and priorities in their work task. I keep this in mind as I communicate tasks that needs to be done with positive attitude and awareness with what others are working on. The company should hire me because I am very hardworking person. Some call it workaholic. I call it dedication. Thank you so much for your time and I'm looking forward to speaking to you very soon.